In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove yourself from a Life 360 circle. First, open the Life 360 app on your device. You will see the main screen displaying your circles. This is where you can easily navigate through your locations and the members of your circle. Make sure you are on the home screen, as this is essential for accessing the features you need. It's a straightforward app, but familiarizing yourself with the layout can save you time later. Next, if you have more than one circle, select the circle you want to leave. You can identify your circles by their names or the members included in each. Tap on the circle you wish to exit. This action is crucial because it ensures you are only leaving the intended circle, rather than all of them. Once you select the correct circle, you will be able to manage its settings seamlessly. Now tap on Settings. This option is usually located in the upper right corner of your screen. By accessing settings, you will be able to adjust various features related to your circle. This is an important step as it leads you to the necessary tools to make changes to your membership. You will notice several options appear, tailored for circle management. From there, tap on Circle Management. This section specifically allows you to manage your membership status within the selected circle. It is designed to give you control over your association with the group. Understanding how circle management works is essential, as it allows you to make informed decisions about your privacy and interactions. Next up, tap Leave Circle. This action indicates that you wish to exit the selected circle. A prompt will likely appear asking for your confirmation. This is a vital moment in the process, as you are about to make a significant change to your account settings. It's reassuring to know that this step is easy and straightforward. After that, tap Yes to confirm your decision to leave. This confirmation step ensures that you really want to go through with your choice. It's a safeguard to prevent accidental exits from circles. You should see a brief message indicating that your action has been successful. This provides peace of mind, confirming that your changes have been saved. Note, if you are the circle admin, it is essential to assign another member as admin before leaving. If you neglect to do this, Life 360 will automatically assign a new admin. This step is critical because it maintains the functionality of the circle after you exit. Be mindful of this requirement to ensure a smooth transition for the remaining members. Now that you have successfully removed yourself from the circle, take a moment to reflect on your decision. Leaving a circle can impact your location sharing and communication with others. However, it is completely within your rights to manage your privacy as you see fit. Always remember that your comfort and security are paramount. In summary, you have learned how to remove yourself from a Life 360 circle. By following these steps, you can easily manage your membership status in any circle you are part of. This process empowers you to take control of your personal information and interactions. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.